Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is pyramid of energy. What is pyramid of energy? Keep in your mind, quantitative studies of an ecosystem are carried out in the form either standing food chain or food wave in the form of pyramids of energy. Pyramid of an ecosystem are three types: pyramids of numbers, pyramids of biomass, and pyramid of energy. Pyramid of energy pyramid of energy diagrammatically show the conversion of solar energy into chemical energy by means of plants, and then its transfer to subsequent tropic level. You know, pyramids, this is the flow of energy, means flow of energy from one living organism to another living organism. But at each level, during the transformation, some amount of energy is lost. Exact amount of energy is not transferred from one tropical level to another tropical level. For example, suppose that phytoplankton means, suppose that this is a pyramids, okay, 1 2 3 4. First phytoplanktons are the small plants. This is the first tropic level, and this is the second tropic level. This is the third tropic level. This is the fourth tropic level, and this is the fifth tropic level. So first tropic level are the producers, means plants, phytoplanktons, and second tropic levels are the herbivores. Herbivorous means zooplanktons. Here you observe that 1000, for example, suppose that 1000 calories energy, but when these plants are utilized by herbivorous animals, means zooplankton, so exact amount of energy is not transferred. There are some amount of energy loss in the form of heat during the transformation, means 1000 calories. But when these primary consumer feed the phytoplankton, means a small plant, then exact amount of energy is not transferred, some amount of energy loss in the form of heat, like that 100. And herbivorous zooplanktons are fed by carnivorous are the zooplankton. Here you observe that some exact amount of energy is not transferred, some amount of energy loss during transformation. This is the pyramids, you know. And carnivorous fish. And last, tuna, means that this is the tropical level, and this is the pyramids of energy. You know, this is the pyramids of energy. So huge amount of energy is stored in plants. When plants are fed by primary consumers, then exact amount of energy is not transferred from one tropical level to another tropical level, some amount of energy lost during transformation. And then herbivorous are fed by carnivorous, they are also called as a zooplankton. So means exact amount of energy not transferred, some amount of energy here lost during the transformation. So at each tropical level, in the pyramids, amount of energy loss in the form of heat, exact amount of energy is not transferred from one tropical level to another tropical level. Thank you very much, my dear students.